Want to know how to check your rewards or your reward points in Wish? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your wish.com application or your website itself. So the process is same. And now once you've done that, here on the top right side, you should be seeing your profile. So just simply hover on it, and right here you should be seeing rewards that should be right above get help. So just simply select rewards and you should be directed to your reward points or your balance right here. So by default your balance should be 100 points, and now if you scroll down you can also see you can turn points into real world discounts with 5% off, 10% off, all the way to 15% off as well. So you can also see your available reward wallet, used and expired, and much more. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.